Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a speed test your internet on website. I will show you how to check how fast is your net, how good you have upload, download, and your ping, stability of your connection. So now you may like, subscribe, share to others, and let's go. So you have also link in the description. Website name is speed test. Okay, and now you just click on start. As you can see, here is your ping, download, and upload. Okay, and as you can see, that's all in this video. So here is your score, your internet, and that's all. So thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, see you next time. Thanks.